Hi. If you had installed Megastat and you suddenly find it disappeared from your regular add-ins, then there's a quick method to check whether it's been disabled or not. So see, I have the installation files here. We downloaded zip file and it needs to be extracted. So the extracted files are here. So I have the installer window. So this one, when I double click this, it opens the, since I had already opened it there. So it shows you, this place shows you where the XLA file of megastat has been installed. Okay, this is for our reference. Now, here in the add-ins, I have megastat. Sometimes this add-in has disappeared because there is nothing to show or your megastat has disappeared. Now, what you do is just go to File, Options, Add-ins, Excel add-in, go. What could have happened is, in this case, megastat is ticked, or maybe it is just empty like that. So then just enable it or tick it up. Then it should show. So when you press OK, it would probably appear here as an add-in, right? So that's one possibility. Supposing you go there and you find it's already there, and then or it is not there or not seen in that particular place, then again go to File, Options, Add-ins. Now look at Disabled Items. Click Disabled Items and go. In case megastat was disabled, then it should probably appear here. You can re-enable it. I mean, when you click it here, and you should be able to press Enable, it should enable and come up back in the add-ins. The last option is supposing it is all seen there, but still it doesn't pop up when you relaunch or restart, anything like that. In that case, now you got to go to Trust Center. Before I go to Trust Center, I just copy this. Copy this link. Okay. Just copy the complete address and go to File, Options, Trust Center. Maybe your computer thought that Excel is a spurious item, so it's probably thought it to be a virus or something and stopped it. So that could be a reason. So get into Trust Center settings. Now you can see all these things here. So now what you need is to just add Excel also into that. So add new location. And you have this, just copy it. Just paste the item that you copied. Enable subfolders and press OK. So that will also be added here. So every time you open Excel, Excel will not question the validity of a megastat. It will open it automatically. Press OK and OK, and you must be able to see the megastat. Okay. Have a great day. Bye-bye.